Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best AR lower parts kit is probably one of the most crucial components for any AR-15 build, acting as the foundation upon which your entire rifle is constructed, and selecting the right one can significantly impact your firearm's reliability, ergonomics, and overall performance, making it a decision that warrants careful consideration to ensure your build meets your specific needs and expectations for accuracy and durability. Number 5. Magpul 223 Dummy Rounds 5 Count. Introducing the Magpul 223 Dummy Rounds, a reliable training tool for your firearm needs. This pack contains 5 rounds, perfect for practice. Crafted from our proprietary hard polymer, these rounds are built to last through countless training sessions. Their robust construction ensures consistent performance. Enhance your skills with these dummy rounds, ideal for gun handling, reloading, and malfunction drills. They are also excellent for analyzing shooting procedures. Specifically designed for platforms like the AR-15, M4, and M16, they integrate seamlessly into your training routine. Experience realistic practice without live ammunition. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust in the quality and reliability of these training aids. Invest in your proficiency with a product you can depend on. What we like. These dummy rounds are made from a proprietary hard polymer, ensuring durability and safety during training. They are perfect for practicing gun handling, reloading, and malfunction drills without the risks associated with live ammunition. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to train or analyze shooting procedures, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Great material, thought it would get scratched up and chipped practicing different malfunctions repeatedly. But it's a very solid plastic. These are great dummy rounds, and I have had excellent results with them. I see some users, especially a recent one, right before my review, showing the rounds being chewed up from feeding in their rifle. This is most likely due to how their feed ramps are cut, not the rounds themselves. I have a higher-end 5.56 upper and barrel with polished feed ramps, as it should be, and perfect deburring. These rounds don't get hung up, or get chewed up, and in fact they feed flawlessly. Great for dry firing practice and practice for clearing malfunctions. Really high-quality molds. These have helped me familiarize myself with my new rifle as this is the first time owning an AR. Number 4. Feyachi Heat-Resistant Brass Catcher. This brass catcher is made with thickened nylon, ensuring it won't melt from hot ejected casings. It's built to last and withstand high temperatures. Easily adjust its distance from the ejection port with handy spring detent settings. It includes 2 Picatinny rail mounts for quick attachment to almost any rifle. The mounting piece sits low on the Picatinny rail, fitting easily under your scope. Its quick disconnect feature makes it simple to attach and remove. With a large opening, it efficiently catches over 100 rounds of .223 brass. A convenient bottom zipper allows for easy emptying without removing it from your firearm. Ideal for reloaders and anyone looking to keep outdoor ranges clean. It helps you collect spent casings efficiently, making reuse simple. Thanks to the included mounts, you can quickly transfer this catcher between different firearms. It offers great flexibility for your shooting needs. What we like. This brass catcher features an adjustable design and a quick-release mechanism for easy mounting and detachment. Its thickened nylon construction prevents melting, and it can hold over 100 casings. If you are a reloader who wants to save spent brass or a shooter who prefers a cleaner range, this catcher is ideal for you. What people say. Easy to mount, works as expected, and I feel so much better not leaving brass all over the place. Works great and easy to remove quickly. Multiple mounting options for different setups. Saves a lot of time chasing shells. It comes with attachments for 2 separate toys so you can easily switch between them at the range. It snaps on easily and stays put, with a big enough mouth to catch almost any size brass. I've used it on as small as a 1022 and up to 308 with no catcher cause jams. Number 3. PA Material Gun Wall Mount for 223 5.56 Rifle. Crafted from high-quality PA material, this mount is incredibly strong. It's designed to reliably hold your firearm, withstanding up to 300 pounds of tension without issue. Its thoughtful construction ensures a perfect fit, preventing your gun from bumping against the wall. The sleek, frosted surface guarantees no scratches. This mount features an ambidextrous design for flexible mounting. A convenient bottom groove allows for easy magazine suspension, and a hole is included for a cable lock for added security. Experience secure and swift mounting and removal with its unique design. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary screws and wall plugs included for a fast setup. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with a full lifetime warranty, offering a refund or replacement if you encounter any problems. What we like. Constructed from high-quality PA material, this gun wall mount can withstand significant weight and is designed to protect your firearm. Its ambidextrous design and frosting treatment ensure it won't scratch your rifle. If you need a secure, durable, and aesthetically pleasing way to store your AR-style rifle, this mount is a solid option. What people say. They look great, and function perfectly. Very sturdy and solid. Sturdy and locks in pretty good. Great mount. All of my polymer mags fit just fine. No issues at all. I have some 2A polymer mags and Gen 1 and 3 mags. No issues at all. Mounted it on my wall in about 10 minutes and it is very solid. Number 2. Gun Tool Pro 30-in-1 Firearm Maintenance Tool. Introducing the Gun Tool Pro, your all-in-one solution for essential firearm maintenance. This 30-in-1 tool is a must-have for working on both rifles and shotguns. It features specialized bits and drivers designed specifically for firearms. The compact folding multi-tool includes flat, Phillips, and Torx bits, along with a pin punch, all fitting into 2 magnetic bit drivers. Keep your small parts secure with the removable magnetic storage compartment. It's perfect for safely holding pins and screws while you work on your firearm. This tool also includes a universal shotgun choke wrench. It's designed to fit a wide range of shotgun chokes, from .410 to 10 gauge. As a handy bonus, it comes with a 2.5-inch Raptor claw knife blade. This extremely sharp pocket knife is also great for everyday cutting tasks. What we like. This comprehensive 30-in-1 tool provides all the essential bits and drivers specifically designed for firearm maintenance. It includes a magnetic storage compartment for small parts and a universal shotgun choke wrench. If you are a gun owner who performs regular maintenance or minor repairs, this all-in-one tool is a must-have for your toolkit. What people say. The AR Lower Parts Kit is a great choice for anyone looking to build their own AR-15. The kit includes all the necessary parts, and the quality of the components is excellent. I was impressed with the precision machining of the AR Lower Parts Kit. All the parts fit together perfectly, and the trigger pull was smooth and crisp. This AR Lower Parts Kit is a fantastic value for the money. It includes everything you need to complete your lower receiver, and the quality is top-notch. Number 1. Dianrui 300 PCS Compression Springs Assortment Kit. Introducing the Dianrui Compression Springs Assortment Kit, your go-to solution for a wide range of repair and DIY projects. This comprehensive kit offers exceptional value and convenience. With 23 different sizes and a total of 300 pieces, you'll have the perfect spring for any application. They are made from durable 304 stainless steel, ensuring strength and longevity. All springs are neatly packaged in a convenient plastic storage box, making them easy to carry, organize, and access whenever you need them. Experience the difference with springs that boast a smooth surface, excellent strength, strong ductility, and reliable tension. They are built to perform. These versatile springs are perfect for a multitude of uses, from household repairs and automotive applications to mechanical devices and even toys. They are designed to fit seamlessly into your projects. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these springs offer superior corrosion resistance and durability, ensuring they stand the test of time. What we like. This assortment kit contains 300 compression springs in 23 different sizes, all made from durable 300 stainless steel. They are neatly packaged for convenience and offer excellent strength and ductility. If you are a DIY enthusiast, hobbyist, or someone who frequently needs small springs for repairs or projects, this kit provides a wide variety to meet your needs. What people say. Nice collection of assorted sizes and strengths of springs. Worked well in the item I needed to repair plus many extras for future contingencies. Large variety for all your projects. They seem like they hold up well and keep tension. Nice selection in a spring assortment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.